Hello, second grade. Good morning and happy Wednesday. I'm here to show you your math assignments for today. So we are going to start on my second grade page. So you'll want to go to Virtual Wednesday, and then you'll want to click on Math. And this is what's going to pop up for you. The welcome video will be here as well, so you probably have already clicked on that if you're watching this video. So the first thing you're going to do is watch the welcome video all the way through, and then the next thing you're going to do is watch the video called Grade 1 Math 6.8 Problem Solving, or this Lesson 9 video right here. So watch this video and pay attention, and while you're watching it, think, how is this related to what you've seen, or when have you seen something like this before? So think about those two questions while you watch the video. The next thing you're going to want to do is to watch me teach our math lesson for today. You'll need to get your Go Math workbook out, the volume 1, and turn to page 49 and follow along as I work through those pages with you. And then you will be completing pages 51 and 52 independently, so on your own. So when you're done, after you have finished those, you'll want to go over here for C activities. There are links right here, and this one is going to be where you turn in your Go Math worksheets from your textbook. So take a picture of pages 49, 50, 51, and 52 and upload them there. And then there are lesson 9 worksheets as well, which you will see pop up right. Complete these worksheets using the anchor chart, which is right here as a guide. So you'll complete both of these worksheets. And then when you're ready, you're going to hit add response. And then you are going to click this green check mark when you're finished. Okay, so that's that worksheet. And then there is one more called Math Wednesday 916. And this is what it looks like. You are reviewing how many tens there are and then circling groups of 10 and write how many hundreds there are. So we know that 100 is 10. You're going to count our base 10 blocks, or our 10 rods, and you will count them. So how many tens are there? So count those and write that in. So that means how many hundreds are there, remembering that there are 10 tens rods that make 100. So write how many hundred, and so how many blocks. So 100 would be obviously 100 blocks. Okay, and then there are a couple of different pages of that. So be sure to complete all 3 of those pages when you're ready. And that is what you are doing for math today. So go ahead and get started. After you have finished all of those activities, what you're going to want to do next is go and do 20 minutes on Dreambox.